Alex. Why are you looking like that? Alex. Oop. 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 He's a nice boy. He's a really nice boy. And he likes to get foot patted. He's a grandpa. He's a legend. He's my fat boy, yeah. He's my baby. That was ugly. Honestly, I can't sing shit right now. I lost my voice, and I don't even know how I lost my voice. It might be due to the weather. It's so goddamn cold. I guess, like, when I was sleeping, I lost my voice. I don't know. I haven't been screaming or anything. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what to do. He's so cute. You're so cute. You don't even know how cute you are. Alex. Alex. See him looking at me? He knows. He knows what's up. Sad looking Alex. Sad looking Alex. Sad looking Alex. He's sad and he's listening to sad music and he's contemplating his life and he's thinking about squirrels and all the squirrels that he couldn't catch, that he's seen from other side of the window, that he just couldn't get. He's a sad little guy, and he contemplates his life, and he sits there and thinks about all of the girlfriends he's never had. Where is his dad? It's bad. Alex, what do you think about when you contemplate your decisions and your life? He's Alex. He's Alex. He's Alex. Yeah. Alex. Do you want toe? Do you not want toe? Why do you look at the toe with such disgust and disappointment? It's okay. Just talk to the toe, or you can clean yourself. He's grooming, 'cause he's stinky, and he's dirty. He got hairballs, and he poops, and he pees, and he cries, and he dies, and he thinks about life, because he's Alex. Talk to the toe. Talk to the toe. Talking to the toe. The toe. The toe. He's a cleaning baby. Get under those fingernails, a little nasty. Ooh, he getting in there. Ugh. Get him in there, Alex. Oh my God. Does it taste good? He really plays no games. He's There's probably bacteria on that. You're nasty. Top to the toe. You nasty man. What are you doing? He's probably wondering what I'm doing too. Talk to the toe. Well, this is pretty cute. I'd rate this live like a 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah, this is my son, and we out.